actually do this as final retouch of my edit. First, add new layer. Then click this part to change the blending mode. Search for soft light. Pick darker color, but I recommend the color that close to red or pink. Color all the canvas. Reduce opacity, make it under 50%. Same as before, add new layer, then tap the blending mode and choose add. Reduce opacity, I recommend to make it under 5%. Pick the vibrant or bright color. Color all the canvas. Actually, this blending mode depends on your theme, and you can always change the color by clicking the filter button. Go to adjust color and then select change drawing color. Every color plays a role in determining the atmosphere. As example, night, sun-kissed, scary vibe, and etc. Either add or soft light mode both play the same role. Clipping tool simplifies your coloring work. As you can see, color doesn't come out from the object we clip. While without clipping tool, color steps out of object. This tool is very useful for shading. This tool is to make sure our work is organized. While editing, we will definitely use layers a lot. Scroll to the top. Tap the Add Special layer and click Add Folder. A folder usually has a folder icon. To make it easy, rename the folder. Next, we will put the layer with same function in one folder. Click the 3 line on that layer you want to move. Move it to the right until you see a line. Click the folder to close the layer selected. Both layers have already disappeared. Doesn't this look neat? Next, I will show the other benefit of folder tool. Repeat as I explained earlier. When you're done, click the clipping tool and see the difference. All layers in the folder will also be clipped to the object. It also works when you want to hide the layer. This tip very helpful and will make shading process easier. Add a new layer and use clip tool to make sure the only color selected area. By using any color, color the surface of clothes first. Repeat. I advise to use another layer for every cloth. And use different color so we can know which part it is. Do on skin too, as you can see, the hands and body if this object overlap. So it also has to be divided so our shading work will be easier. While coloring earlier, there must be other colors included to other parts. To delete it, select the layer you feel you are coloring while coloring other parts. Then tap Select Opacity and click the layer you want to erase the surplus. This is optional actually, but if you want a really good outcome, you have to try. Here I show you the outcome. Select any layer you want to shade and click Select Opacity. Hide the coloring layer and add new layer. Do not forget to click it. As you can see, the color keeps still in selection area. Let's try to another part. See, it's so easy to shade. I hope these tips would help. See See you!